Hi everyone, tonight I'll show you how to perform double exposure on the Canon FTB QL film camera. So this is a film camera. I loaded it with film already, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how the double exposure works. So first off, you need to take note of here, the left side here, and the film counter, and this button here, which allows you to make a rewind. So okay, let's assume that this film I haven't shot yet, so I'm gonna shoot it. So first exposure, and now I want to do a double exposure. First I need to do this where I press this button, the rewind button, press it in. I think I don't need to actually hold it, just press it, that's it. Then you see here, you need to rewind you rewind 7 out of 8, 7 over 8 of this circle. So it's like about 315 degree. So I'm gonna rewind now. Alright, rewind. So just now it was here somewhere. So this is about 315 degree and or 7 out of 8. Then you're gonna fire your second shot after you wind it. So when you wind it, you fire. Alright? So this is the second exposure. This one will run anyway, so you can ignore this part. Just focus on this. So let's say I did this double exposure. I want to make it a triple exposure. So I need to press this down again. Press it. Then I'm gonna rewind it. Alright? So see, notice this angle. So 315 degrees is something like here. So I'm gonna wind it down here, right? Then fire. Right after I need to wind, then I need to fire. So there's 3 exposures. Then to move on to the next frame, fire. Yeah, that's the next frame. So this is how it works. Press it down, wind it, 315 degrees. So just now I fired one shot on this frame, so it's about here. Then I'm gonna fire after I wind, then I fire. So double shots on the second exposure. Then for me to move on to the next frame, I wind it, so this goes to the next frame. So this is a new frame, fire, and a new frame is fired. So I repeat again. Okay, wind a new frame. So this is a new frame, haven't shot anything yet. So fire. Okay, I'm gonna perform double exposure, press here. Then look at this angle here. Wind it 315 degrees. So I think it's about here. Okay. Then wind it. Then fire. So there's double exposure. Moving on to the next frame means that I will just wind and it moves to the next frame, and this is new fresh frame. Alright, there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. Before you leave, I want to assure you that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves you all and He's a healer. So please feel free to reach out to Him anytime. Call on Him and He will answer. Alright, thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.